Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, October 25 to 27, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. We have a tropical cyclone right now outside of PAR, but it's not expected to enter the Philippine area of responsibility. Here's the latest graph set that we issued a while ago, and this is valid until tomorrow. So the tropical cyclone that developed was the one 98W or LPA 98W to the west of Guam, and it's now named internationally as Malou. Okay, and it's still outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, and it's currently at tropical storm strength with winds of 75 kph, intensifying slowly. But the movement of the system is rapidly accelerating towards the north with a speed of 30 kph. So the forecast of this system, it will start to interact with the developing frontal system here, which is expected to move towards the northeast, and it will tag along the tropical storm Malu, and it's likely to record as well towards the northeast in the next couple of days. So there's a line that connects Malu to another low pressure area. Now this LPA 99W has crossed the Visayas last weekend, and it's now outside of the Philippine area of responsibility in the vicinity of Spratly, and the islands of the Calayan group is being affected with rains and winds of up to 30 or 40 kph brought about by this LPA. It's already a weak tropical depression based on Pag-asa. JMA still an active LPA, and also with the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. But within the next 6 to 24 hours, this could become a tropical depression, 26W, before it makes landfall over the eastern seaboards of Vietnam. So this is no longer a threat to our country except for the Calayan Island group, where Pag-asa Island is located. And alongside with these two systems, we have a surface trough, or the trough, okay, of these two systems, viewing some thunderstorms, rain showers, cloudy skies across central and southern Luzon, Bicol region, Mimaropa, northern and eastern Visayas, while Sulu Archipelago, Mindanao will have pleasant weather with afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. Right here across extreme northern Luzon and eastern Luzon, we have the northeasterly surface wind flow. We can already call this as the weak amihan as we near the month of November. So expect within the next 7 days, we will be having a surge of the first monsoon, winter monsoon, the northeast monsoon or amihan, which we are expecting this week, and as these two systems will move away from the Philippine area. Okay, so it will track towards the direction. We have a shallow LPA which is connected already with this frontal system, so nothing to worry about. So that's the latest from our graph set. Don't forget to take all necessary precautions whenever there's a strong thunderstorms against flash floods, flash floods, and the landslides generated by these local surface troughs. Okay, and if you take a look at the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin CMSSS tropical cyclone page, there you go. Tropical storm Malu is now starting to accelerate towards the north, and it will recurve towards the area of near Iwato, likely within the next couple of days. And here's the LPA 99W approaching the coastal areas of Vietnam, and it will briefly become a tropical depression prior in making landfall over Vietnam, while the Philippine Islands will be under the influence of the surface trough. Okay, these are lower atmospheric pressure which generates thunderstorms and rains across the central portions of the Philippines, including Metro Manila, Bicol region, Naga City, Visayas. So don't forget to bring your rain gear all the time. And also, because of the ongoing La Nina, we expect more rain than sunny days. Okay, more rainy days than sunny days as we move into the Christmas season. Okay, let's hope and pray that mid-November until December there will be no longer tropical cyclones that could affect our country, but we're not guaranteed for that. Guarantee with that because of the ongoing La Nina. There might be some low pressure areas, tropical depression or tropical storm, but lower chances of becoming a typhoon. It depends on the movement of these systems. If it does remain quasi-stationary, these future storms, it may become a tropical, a typhoon, because of the warm seas of east temperature, since we are having some climate change or the increased global warming activity of our planet. Okay, so that's the latest, and let's take a look at the Asian Agency's tracks of Tropical Storm Malu 25W. So most of the Asian agencies agree that the system will track towards the northeast, okay, without any entrance along the Philippine area. That's the Philippine area of responsibility, so pardon my line. Okay. So there will be no naming of a debt on this system. Even 99W didn't, Pag-asa didn't name it as Odette, since it only developed once it moved out of the Philippine area of responsibility, after moving out of PAR. And let's take a look at the global model. So there you go. Most of them are showing a track farther away from our country, so we are just expecting some local thunderstorms, local showers that we'll be expecting across the Philippine Islands in the next 7 days. And if we take a look at the windy.com rainfall accumulation, first we will discuss the 24-hour rainfall accumulation for 8 a.m. this morning until 8 a.m. tomorrow. So here comes the two storms. And here in the Philippine Islands, we are going to be expecting afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across most parts of the country. And for the next 3 days, same situation. Some thunderstorms, rain showers will be expected across the eastern sections of Luzon, southern Luzon, Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao. And before we leave you, here's the wind, pressure, and rain forecast from European model, courtesy of windy.com. This is valid until Wednesday. So by tomorrow afternoon, we could expect some rains and thunderstorms as well, while the two systems slowly moves farther away from the Philippine Sea. And on Wednesday afternoon, the tropical disturbance 99W could become 26W or TD26W. Already made landfall over Vietnam by Wednesday. So that's only a forecast. And this is tropical storm Malou moving farther away from the Philippine area of responsibility, although it's already outside. So there's no problem about it. And the usual thunderstorms will continue to prevail in the afternoon of Wednesday. So every afternoon we are expecting these thunderstorms because of the ongoing La Nina. And what about by the troughing? Okay, so this trough between the two tropical cyclones, tropical disturbances. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for today, Monday, and we'll be returning again on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.